Jonah Jonah swallowed the fish. No, fish swallow Jonah. There was a swallow. And Jesus is suffering. And the devil said to Jonah, get out of here. That is in Igbo. So our choir calling for her. Once he must be a body or a kakiri, and my fiance, thank you. So our hip hop group, our choir will now come out and sing because we know that God has blessed you, and therefore, blessing. If you don't bless us, something will happen to you. Come out and bless us. Let's welcome our choirs.
There is something that makes me come into your presence, my ever. Yes, cook beat. If you know me, God, where I for day, and you do for me. If you know me, God, where I for day, waiting I for me. If you know me, God, where I for day, waiting I for you. Let the money cover us, let the money cover us, let your blessings follow us, let the money cover us, let the money cover us, let the money cover us, let your blessings follow us, let your blessings cover us. If you know me, God, oh daddy, see what you do for me. I know forgive you my name, you know say I be a big king, my daddy, receive my shaki, you know say I love you plenty, I beg making no vex for me, love you make me dey para, I dey para, now you dey make me dey wonder, I dey wonder, Baba God now you be cold, at your waist I lose give you up. If you know me God, where I for day, waiting I for me. If you know me God, where I for day, waiting I for you. Let the money cover us, let the money cover us, let your blessings follow us, let your grace cover us. Let the money cover us, let the money cover us, let your blessings follow us, let your grace follow us. Today, you go bless me today. I go call in my pockets today. Baby, now waiting we talk yesterday. Baba, you dey make me dey para, I dey para. Now you dey make me dey wonder, I dey wonder. Baba God, now you be cold. At your waist I lose give you up. If you know me God, where I for day, waiting I for me. If you know me God, where I for day, waiting I for you. Let the money cover us, let the money cover us, let your blessings follow us, let the money cover us, let the money cover us, let the money cover us, let your blessings follow us, let your blessings cover us. If you know me God, oh daddy, see my shaki, receive my shaki, you feeling me shaki, oh daddy, you dey feel my shaki, you dey see my shaki, you must feel my shaki,
Suspect on the mix.
Cuckoo,
Jesus is suffering. And the devil said to Jonah, get out of here. That is in Igbo. What's your reckoning? What's here? God. Because I don't know the meaning of that one.